Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Splendies Day. I wanted to show you the July goodies from Splendies. It's an underwear subscription service that delivers underwear to your door. We live in a digital age where we can just buy ish online and have it show up at our house. Yes, sign me up! Splendies! The July Splendies underwears are super colorful, and I'm going to show you what they're all about. So first of all, Splendies is $14.99 a month. You get 3 pairs of undies. You can get a thong option if you like. They even have plus sizes. You can cancel at any time, and there's free US shipping. Now that I got all those details out of the way, let's see what came this month. These are very summery. I'm gonna start with the thong. Thong, 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 thong. This is cute. Oh, it's so light and airy. It's got a very summery pattern with like beautiful, I don't know what kind of flowers they are. They're very pretty. I feel like if you're into wearing thongs, they better be comfy. As far as thongs go, this is a good one. Next up, this is more of like a hip hugger. This is actually like, I think I've mentioned before, my spirit undie. This style of undie is super comfy. It's got a very kind of like silky feel, and the pink and red combo is nice. That's what it looks like in the back. Very cute, and I feel like this complements my hair and my shirt. And this final pair, also hip hugger, very, you know, each of these pairs is like super soft, like super comfortable. And they each have, I'm noticing, they each have lace trim, which is cool because I'm a lace fan. So it looks like this, back looks like that, super comfortable, cozy. Very pretty pattern. If you guys are interested in checking out Splendies, I'll have all the information below, including the link-a-dink, and code Splendies saves you $4 off your first month. I'm a fan of Splendies. I totally am. I love getting new undies every month. It really is like Christmas. They're always comfortable. You know what? They're such a consistently solid company that sends cozy, pretty, cute, stylish undies, and sometimes if you're into like holiday-esque undies, you know, you can opt for that and get like Christmassy ones or Valentine's ones, or it's just a fun service. I really like it, and it's really affordable. Like the whole subscription is what sometimes you pay for one pair of underwear at like a name brand store. I'm a fan. Who else is obsessed with underwears? Do you collect undies like I do? Anyways, that's my undie haul for this month from Splendies. If you guys have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!